property in the background is one that I recently bought in West Wales. The vendors had done this as a self-build, and they've been building it over a number of years. Unfortunately, their situation had changed and they needed to sell the property quickly. Now, the issue with an unfinished project is it's very, very difficult to secure any type of mortgage or funding. In the case of this property, it didn't have the requisite building control, electrical and gas installation certificates signed off and completed. The vendors contacted me. I was able to make them an immediate cash offer. All my offers are fixed, so I think on this particular property it took around about 2 to 3 months before they were actually ready to complete the sale, at which point I completed the sale at the original guaranteed amount. Obviously with myself as a cash buyer, I'm not seeking a bank mortgage on the property, so the issues that a normal buyer for an estate agent would have didn't apply to me. So if you're in a situation where you've got a property and it's either an unfinished project or you've carried out incomplete building works, so it hasn't actually got a building control sign off, please get in touch. I'll be more than happy to make a cash offer and complete it in the time frame that you require.